Understanding Blizzard Conditions, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: blizzard conditions. Whether you're a beginner or advanced English learner, understanding specific phrases can help you better grasp the language. So, let's explore what blizzard conditions mean, how they're used, and why they're important, especially if you're in a country experiencing cold weather. Blizzard conditions refer to a severe snowstorm characterized by strong winds, low visibility, and continuous heavy snowfall. For a storm to be considered a blizzard, it must have winds of at least 35 miles per hour, about 56 kilometers per hour, visibility of less than 1/4 mile, 0.4 kilometers, due to snow or blowing snow, and these conditions must last for at least 3 consecutive hours. There are 3 main features that define blizzard conditions. Strong winds. The winds must be strong enough to significantly reduce visibility and create a sense of disorientation. Heavy snowfall. Continuous heavy snowfall is essential, contributing to the reduced visibility and the accumulation of snow on the ground. Low visibility. Visibility under 1/4 mile is a critical criterion. This means that during a blizzard, it's extremely difficult to see very far ahead, making travel dangerous. Blizzard conditions can have a significant impact on daily life. They can lead to travel disruptions. Airports may close, and roads can become impassable, stranding travelers and disrupting plans. Power outages. The combination of heavy snow and strong winds can damage power lines, leading to widespread electricity outages. Safety risks. The severe weather conditions can be hazardous, with risks of hypothermia, frostbite, and accidents due to poor visibility and slippery roads. Knowing how to prepare for blizzard conditions is crucial. Here are some tips. Stay informed. Keep track of the weather forecast through reliable sources. Emergency kit. Have an emergency kit ready, including food, water, warm clothing, and medical supplies. Stay indoors. During a blizzard, it's safest to stay indoors. If you must go out, dress warmly and inform someone about your destination and expected return time. Understanding blizzard conditions is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's also about staying informed and safe during severe winter weather. We hope this video has helped clarify what blizzard conditions are and how to prepare for them. Stay warm, stay safe, and keep learning. We look forward to bringing you more insightful content. See you in the next video.